So, let's learn today more about nominative, accusative, and dative. Let's try to understand in a simpler way. So, nominative are your subject based sentences or your subject in the sentence. For example, Ich bin Sanju, Ich bin Lehrerin, Ich bin Studentin, and so on and so forth. That means my subject, and I'm talking about the subject. Accusative are the sentences when you have an object also in your sentence. For example, ich habe eine Wohnung. So, when you have a thing and you frame a question to that sentence, what do I have? This is always answered by accusative. Who has it? This is always answered by nominative. Your verb is always as per the subject. Ich habe eine Wohnung. The things which we need to remember in the accusative is that we have to, if there is a masculine object, we need to change. So, not only the understanding of the structure, why the structure is important, so that you can make the changes with the masculine, which is important for the accusative. Now I come to the dative. But before I come to the dative, one more thing, that it's not about that we have an object only as an accusative. We also have person. For example, ich treffe meine Mutter. In this kind sentence I meet my mother. तो मेरी mother एक accusative object है इस sentence में. और कौन मिल रहा है? That is your nominative, right? And treffen is my verb. So every time आपको confusion है sentence में कि मेरा accusative क्या है, तो please ask what and whom I'm meeting, whom I'm calling, and who is doing this is always your nominative. So far so clear. Now I come to the simple way of understanding dative, which is आपके sentence में we know one is nominative, we have a verb and we have an object, and then we have another indirect object, or we can say a person. How it is? When I am giving something to somebody is my dative structure. For example, ich gebe meiner Mutter eine Tasche. What am I giving? ये मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया accusative होएगा. Who is giving is nominative, and to whom I am giving is my dative. Again, दिस इज़ वेरी सिंपल. ये स्ट्रक्चर्स बड़े लिमिटेड हैं जहाँ पे हम किसी को कुछ दे रहे हैं. तो कोई दे रहा है वो भी ज़रूरी है, क्या हम दे रहे हैं वो भी ज़रूरी है, किसको हम दे रहे हैं दैट इज़ ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट, एंड दैट इज़ दैट इज. सो इट्स अ सिंपल वे टू अंडरस्टैंड कि हम कब जब कोई किसी को कुछ दे रहा है, दैट इज़ अ dative structure. Ich gebe meiner Mutter eine Tasche. And accusative sentences are the simple sentences when we have the object. कैसे sentences होंगे? For example, I have, ich habe eine Wohnung, ich habe einen Tisch, ich kaufe einen Tisch, ich kaufe eine Wohnung. That is, this is typical accusative structure. Ich trinke, what do I drink? Ich esse, what do I eat? Ich kaufe, what do I buy? Ich treffe meine Mutter, whom I'm meeting. Ich rufe meine Mutter an, whom I'm calling is accusative. And when I'm giving something to somebody, then it's dative. Yeah? Ich gebe meine Mutter, for example. Ich schicke meine Mutter einen Brief. Ich schreibe meine Mutter einen Brief. Yeah? Ich schenke meiner Mutter eine Tasche. These are all dative. So these are simple structures, and please understand them in a very simple way. These are not at all difficult. Another important thing is that if you know the structure and you don't know the articles of the objects, or you don't know the personal pronoun, mir, dir, meiner Mutter, meinen Vater, meinem Vater, how to use this. So structure को समझने के बाद, this is also very important that we practice with different people this structure and different object, yeah, which is the gender based. So this is the simple tip. Let's start with the structure understanding today, and then we will practice the personal pronoun and other pronouns where we can use this structure in a more effective way. So for such tips, subscribe us, and we will be coming with more and more tips, which I hope that it will make your learning German interesting and easy for you. All the very best.
Want to learn German in a fun and interactive way? Scan the QR code and join us today.